Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match 110 now underway. Artifacts going up from both sides of this field. 33-11 Innovators Robotics retrieving some off of that spike mark. 1-2 go up so far. They make their way back out, pulling more, and also actually just going back with that spike mark. Artifact loaded. 51-89 Wolves Robotics aimed up. 2 artifacts go out. Their alliance partner from deep field, firing as well as we wind down in the autonomous period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
57-45 is that Red Alliance lead. Blue now churning through artifacts, trying to do the same, but Wolves Robotics first to score. Going up in the air, now loading off of that Blue Alliance secret tunnel. Back to score for Red, dropping off 2 artifacts from deep. Their partners, FE203, lighting up as well. That machine from Ohio, pumping up 1, make that 2 and 3 artifacts straight into the goal. Lining up for that bonus scoring, for that scoring ability. Back to the Blue Alliance side, 11-409 Kraken Coders lined up their turret, 1 and 2 straight on in. They pull on a couple more aboard, trying to get ready to score some extra points for the Blue Alliance. That green artifact not quite feeding through. Innovators Robotics of their alliance. Their robot, a nice hermit crab, running its intake, pulling artifacts aboard. Getting a bit of a crash with their alliance partner, but their alliance partner still able to score for this match. 1 minute, 3 seconds left to go. 140-95 is that Red Alliance lead coming into the coming further into teleoperated. Red Alliance has put up 47 artifacts so far. Blue has 25. 3 more going in, 2 going in out of 3 shot up for the Red Alliance. Seem to be like Red is really focusing on that split traffic model with their alliance member. FE203 with the orange highlights, staying out in that far launch zone, while Wolves Robotics getting up nice and close, keeping out of each other's way and churning through these artifacts, holding on to the Red Alliance lead with 30 seconds left in play. Blue Alliance seems to be generally running a side by side, both in that loading zone. Now back comes their alliance member, Kraken Coders. 20 seconds left to go. That is the end game period. 33-11 Innovators Robotics holding it down. Intake might be ready to go, but they're holding now. Looks like they're actually going to park to try and get the movement RP if they can. If they can get a full and a partial, they do lock that RP down. Red comes in to try as well as time expires in match 110.
9. And the Red Alliance is 110. And the Red Alliance is winning with 265 points.